Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm at the Cincinnati Duke Energy Center at the Calvacade Customs Car Show. They have quite a few cars here, and one of the things I like about this show is they have a large variety of cars. So let's go down and see what we can find. So we'll start out with some American muscle here. These are cars that are mostly kind of stockish. We'll get into some more modified ones a little bit later. So we got the 70s Chevelle there. Here's a 80s El Camino. Couple Novas here. Couple nice looking goats, or GTOs. Another 70s Chevelle. I think if I had to pick an older car, this might be the one I would go with. Got some more Chevelles up here. I like how they did the cotton for the burnout smoke. I thought that was kind of clever. We got old 60s GTO and the 69 Camaro and the Olds 442. Here's a kind of a more souped up muscle car. It's tubbed and big tires in the back of it. Here's a stockish older Corvette, and we have a Mopar over here. This Mustang's got some big old tires in the back of it. Got a Trans Am. It's got a big roll cage and tub rear end. Some more of the cotton tire smoke. This thing's got a hell of a blower on top of it. That thing's really tall. Another modified Trans Am. I think this was the most modified car there. This was a 2016 SEMA car. It's a Cuda, Plymouth Barracuda. Go ahead and take a look at some of the cars from the latest Fast and Furious movie. I really like that GTX. I think it looks sweet. Brand new Demon. Old Stingray. Wide body kit on it. Subaru. They got this crazy looking Charger. So something different about this Charger, it's got a turbine engine in the back of it. And what I thought was pretty weird is if you come back here and look at it, it looks like it is held down by a cheap camo ratchet strap. So that's kind of different. So now we're going to go ahead and look into some newer late model cars. All American muscle. It's a C7 Corvette. It has a pretty large Pro Charger in front of the mirror there. Got the Chevy SS. Pretty highly modified Challenger here. By the looks of it, they don't have the hood open. Next to it is a brand new Camaro. A couple Cadillacs in this row. This last one here is a Wagon. Got the late 90s Mustang Cobra. Of course, I had to get a shot of the Viper. For the ladies, we have a pink Corvette. Chevrolet Performance had a pretty nice little booth. Here's the new Camaro ZL1. $75,000 price tag. Hiding behind it, they got the new Colorado ZR2. It's got the spare tire mount in the bed. And they had a full lineup of their crate engines, followed by a couple transmissions. So now we're gonna get into some trucks. This is a 70 C10. Pretty nice, clean little truck. And we got some that are a little bigger. Hiding behind this Lamborghini. This is, I think, the first non-American car on the video. There's a couple other Lamborghinis. Go ahead and look at some more imports. We got the GTR here. So we got this Honda Civic here. Has a pretty unique supercharger on it. Looks like he had to put two different belts on it and a little jack shaft in the middle to get the belt over to where the supercharger is. Kind of different. Here we got a pretty clean older Civic. Pretty nice example of a DeLorean. Looks like he really has this one polished up nice. Got the Volkswagen Beetle. This is quite different though. He's got big slicks in the back of it. You can see the 4 exhausts on each side. Those are coming straight off the header. Got a big V8 on the inside of it. And to wrap up the imports, we have the Honda or Acura NSX. Apparently, the go-to silly car is Saturns. Here is one such Saturn. It's kind of crazy looking. Seemed to be a big hit with the smaller kids though. And we got another Saturn. I saved the best for last. Of course, the Buick Regal is going to be my favorite, being how I have one. I like the stance on this one. Very clean car. The wheels kind of have like a GNX style look to them. Looks like they're 18-inch wheels. And it looks like he shaved the trim off the front and rear bumper. Looks pretty clean. I like that also. So that's my favorite car of the show. And I hope you guys enjoyed my video. And I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.